What's up, everybody? Oh, long time no see. All right, so here with you today for a video. This is what's gonna happen. Gonna be attempting to install these big brakes on the car right now. I'm gonna take those out a little bit further and show them to you. I got a different fan shroud that I'm gonna put onto the car that will fit with the radiator that I have in the car. Probably do that a little bit later. First thing I'm gonna do, put the drive shaft on and whatever. Yeah, it's pretty hot down here in Miami. Ow, it's really hot, really hot. But yeah, anyways, I hope that y'all are good. Rate, comment, subscribe, and let's get into this video. Damn, it's hot. All right, so as you can see, this fan shroud is going out. You see the stuff don't line up, so this fan shroud is going out. The one I'm putting on is the Japanese version. It doesn't have a overflow tank, so I'm gonna have to get an overflow tank and mount one somewhere differently inside here neatly, you know. So that's the plan for right now. The engine is dirty and all sorts of stuff. I gotta clean it up. But anyways, take a look at this. That's the fan shroud. These fans are being removed, and what you call them, like these, I don't know, these computers for the cooling fans, and I'll put my fans inside there, and these will bolt up directly to that radiator that I have. Let me show you something. Big brakes and my new drive shaft. So you see the new one that I did, it bolts up in the middle instead of the slip yoke like the GS comes with. So that's it. That's what I'm gonna attempt to do this. Yeah, let's dive into this because it's really hot down here right now, man.
Daddy finished putting the fire out.
What's up? So now I get to find out something. The differential on the car is broken, so I have to change that. Bam! Oh my god, I can't believe this junk. What's up, everybody? Alright, so it's a new day. I'm back again. Yeah, as you can see this right here, you already know what happened. I didn't get to do anything much more on the car because after putting the drive shaft, I realized, hey, it wasn't only the drive shaft that I needed to rectify the diff also. Just the OEM diff that came in the car. I had to go get an Aristo diff. So I already took it out. It wasn't hard, thanks to my transmission lift. So now what I have to do, you know, the input shafts for the drive shaft on the Aristo and the GS are a little bit different. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna switch these out right? So I'm gonna put the GS1 inside the Aristo and pull these off, so I can put this back in the car right now. As you can see, everything is out from underneath there. I'm gonna hit that up. It's getting hot right now, so I gotta do that before the sun gets really bad. Alright everybody, so I'm back. Oh my god, as you can see, that sun is way up in the sky now. I had to get a 35mm deep socket to pull this out so I could change them between both diffs. And I tell you something, to find that type of socket like that, it's hard, man. This is a 35mm, but it just won't accept one with the corners of it being so thick, because the more it goes down in there, the smaller it gets. So I changed these ones around now so it could now accept the GS300 drive shaft. So now I'm gonna go put it back up underneath the car. I think I might attempt to do the radiator today, but I'm not sure. But this thing here is just crazy, man. To find that thing, I went to AutoZone, Advance, Napa, all over, and can't find one. It's either they don't have it or the ones they have it just like that. But anyways, I'm gonna go put this thing back on the lift right now and put it back underneath the car, start getting this thing going again. It shouldn't be hard because I already have the lift. All right, what's up everybody? So I'm back. I'm underneath the bottom of the car right now. Everything is all put back in, thanks to my transmission lift. Yeah, I got gloves on. I want to get my hands so dirty. But yeah, everything is perfect underneath here right now. Oh, that's my that's my that's my 3.5 inch exhaust. It's dirty, but hey, it's underneath the bottom of the car, so what the hell. Anyways, so everything underneath here is finished right now. Everything all tightened back up, and whatever. So that's the end of my issues for that. I'm gonna cut the video right here. Subscribe, rate, comment. I know it's not a proper video right now, but tomorrow I'm gonna be doing the video, hopefully let it out tomorrow, with the big brake install on the car. So I'm gonna do that. Anyways, y'all stay tuned, and subscribe. Hit me up. Any questions you gotta ask me, I'll be here. Okay, so I'm gonna take a drive in the car right now to see if the differential if everything functions properly, because I want to be just doing the big brakes tomorrow. I don't want to have to deal with anything else tomorrow, so I'm gonna try this out right now. So everything sounds nice. What's the differential? I hear some noises because everything is not in the car properly. Sounds good. No vibration, nothing. Everything seems to be lined back up. Everything seems to be lined back up. Yep. Sounds pretty damn good. I ain't gonna lie about that. Alright, let me go find my house now, because I don't have a thing on here. If you know what I mean. Damn. think that's enough for one day. That's more than enough for one day. You go back home. More than enough for one day. Oh my God. That's more than enough for one day. I gotta change these front tires because they're making a ton of noise.